If your organization is involved in clinical trials, you need to know about the resources at Keystone Folding Box. At Keystone, we design and manufacture more than 500 unique clinical trial packages each year. Research shows that putting study drugs in the right package often has a positive impact on study outcomes. The experts at Keystone Folding Box custom design secondary packaging for a variety of dosage forms. We have numerous packaging solutions for tablets and capsules, packaged in either blisters or bottles. Additionally, we provide packaging solutions for products dispensed in vials, pre-filled syringes, and auto-injector products. In terms of requirements and restrictions, few industries are as demanding as pharmaceutical drug development and testing. Keystone has spent decades developing breakthrough packaging solutions that have become widely accepted by some of the most respected names in the pharmaceutical industry. Our packages provide the necessary child-resistant and senior-friendly features required by the CPSC and FDA for all Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials. Keystone configures each package with its study protocol in mind, ensuring that patients will clearly understand how to take the right dose at the right time. Our compliance packaging promotes medication adherence to each and every prescribed dose, which is critical to truly understand the efficacy of study drugs in a clinical trial. Many of the most respected companies in pharmaceutical manufacturing trust Keystone to develop their clinical trial packaging. Additionally, we are proud to supply packaging solutions to every major contract packager of clinical trial materials. Whether you plan to package your study drugs in-house or you need to outsource your packaging operation to a contract packager, we are here to help you determine the best package for your study. No one knows clinical packaging like the team at Keystone Folding Box. Request a sample or additional information by emailing info@keyboxco.com or learn more information from the Keystone website at www.keyboxco.com.